Hey campers, Dustin with Hartleys Auto and RV Center. Today I'm going over the 2022 Coachmen 806 XLS pop-up camper. This is our 8-foot pop-up camper. It's got an 8-foot box on it. It's only 1,600 pounds. This one has the air conditioner option on it. Just to go right around the unit with you with it closed down. Right on the front, this one is not prepped for dealership lot yet, so it doesn't have the propane tank on it yet, or the bracket. But if you look right on the front, you'd have your propane tank and the bracket, your battery. Go over onto the side. Right here is your sink drain, the marker lights. This is your city water connection. Then your furnace exhaust. Come back here to your shore power, your potable water fill, your fresh water tank fill. You've got stabilizer jacks all the way around, spare tire in the back, a D-ring for your dog or for your pets or for your toys. Outside propane right here. You've got a keter rail that you can put like your outside grill mount. So if you want to do a grill, you can attach it right to here, or you've got some table accessories. Bottle opener. Step. Couple outside porch lights as well, one on both sides. They come with awnings. This one just doesn't have it on there yet. That's part of the dealership prep. So it does have an awning that comes with it. It's just a regular manual awning. Now we're going to come over here and show you guys what it looks like all popped open. This is the 806 XLS popped open. Again, same exact trailer that we were just looking at. I'll walk you around the outside just so you can see what the outside looks like opened up. This is the cable design with a couple locks on it now, so you don't have to use the poles underneath. You don't have to break your back when you're setting this thing up. It's a quick, simple design these days. I love it. All right, now we'll walk inside. This is a new 2022, guys, and again, this isn't prepped yet. So I've got a lot of boxes in here, but I will go over the unit with you. So over here, these are both 80-inch beds, or all three of them are 80-inch beds as far as length goes. I believe this one's like a 54-inch width, which is close to a queen bed. A little bit smaller, but still very, very close. Then we get over into your kitchen area. You've got your sink, 2-burner stove, your little 12-volt fridge underneath. You've got heat in here, so your heater's down below. Over here is where we get into the big difference from last year and all the previous years with the 806. This right here is now a Gaucho Style Bed. So these right here pull out. That way you have this whole area right here for your bed. Then you also have the bed back here. The bed back here is also 48 inches wide, and then it's 8 inches long, or 80. All right, so there's your Gaucho style bed with your folding table that pops open. So if you want to eat there and have the family eat, you have plenty of room. Then you have your one full-size bed in the back, your queen-size bed over here, kitchen right here. Okay. That is their standard 806 XLS pop-up camper. Again, it's their entry-level 1,600-pound pop-up. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Check out all my other ones.